Okay, let's talk about allowing the user to filter by a parameter. So here we've got an example. We want to be able to search the film name, and we want to give them the ability to use wildcards. So in this case, I've got a star, die, star. So now it's pulled up all of the movies that have the word die in them. Now if I remove the star at the back, now it will pull up everything with die at the end, and there's only one of those. Now if I put the star just at the back, now it'll pull up anything that starts with die. Of course, the way I had it with star, die, star pulls up anything with die anywhere in the title. Now if you don't use a wildcard, then you have to type it in perfectly, except you don't have to worry about caps. That doesn't look for caps, case sensitivity. So you could put like die another day, and boom, pulls up die another day. So, and we also want it to default to just pulling everything up, which means we're just going to have a default star. So that pulls everything up. Okay, pretty easy to do this. First of all, we need to create a parameter. I named my parameter film name because that's what they're entering. You want to give them a user interface here. You want to give them a prompt. We don't want a null value. We want it actually to default to the wildcard so that it pulls everything up by default. So we don't specify values. And that's done. And then the second part is just to go into our data set and go into dataset properties, and there's this filter choice, and we want to add a filter. And the important part is what we're filtering on is the film name, so that we want that there. And the operator, since we want wildcards, so we want to use like. And one of the kind of strange things is for report services, the star is the wildcard. If you go into T-SQL, if you're writing code in T-SQL, you use the %sign as a wildcard. But here it's the star. And then you want to have an expression, and the expression is, of course, your parameter. So you would just go to parameters, and you would double click on this, and that puts your parameter up there. So that will feed the parameters in. And that's all there is to it. Leave a comment if you have one.